The Makita 80 volts Maxx GD Brushless Power Cutter is a cordless tool for cutting masonry and metal. It eliminates soil and mixing, reduces noise, and requires less maintenance than gas-powered cutters. Its water delivery system ensures compliance with OSHA Table 1 requirements. The belt drive design reduces vibration, while the brushless motor runs cooler and more efficiently. With 240 volts Maxx GD batteries, it provides the same performance as a gas-powered model. It's a powerful and convenient tool for professionals and DIYers alike. It can cut through a variety of materials with ease and precision, delivering reliable and consistent results. Makita Brushless 10-top handle chainsaw, a cordless alternative to gas-powered equipment. With zero emissions and lower noise, it's perfect for cutting and trimming in the professional tree care industry. It's powered by one 18-volt LXT battery, delivering high power efficiency equivalent to a gas chainsaw. The variable speed trigger and high chain speed increase cutting speed, while the torque boost mode cuts through dense material with ease. It's low maintenance, with no engine oil, spark plug, air filter, or muffler to clean. The saw is ready to use by loading the 18-volt LXT Lithium-ion battery. Convenience features include adjustable automatic chain lubrication, a built-on lock-off lever, and an electric brake. Makita 18-volt LXT heat guns are a cordless solution for various applications, such as vehicle wraps and tinting, thawing frozen pipes, bending plastic pipes or sheets, and more. The XGH01Z model offers over 21 minutes of continuous runtime with an 18-volt LXT 6.0H battery. BL186 has a temperature of 1022 F and max airflow of 7 CFM. Makita's Star Protection computer controls improve tool performance and extend battery life by monitoring conditions during use to protect against overloading, over-discharging, and overheating. The LXT system is the world's largest compatible cordless tool system powered by 18-volt slide-style batteries. The Makita 40 volts Maxx GD Brushless 11/8 VD Rotary Hammer Kit is a powerful cordless solution for heavy load applications. It has a Makita-built brushless motor delivering 2.8 foot-pounds of impact energy with active feedback sensing and anti-vibration technology. The rotary hammer has dust extraction capability with an OSHA Table 1 compliant onboard HEPA dust extractor attachment or standalone with auto start wireless system. AWS increases productivity on a single charge and reduces noise at the job or work site. The Makita OJ is a cordless solution for landscapers, providing high-performance digging with even and consistent holes. With zero emissions, lower noise, and considerably less maintenance, it is ideal for post-hole digging, fence installation, and soil sampling. The brushless motor delivers power equivalent to a 36cc gas earth auger, with 2 speed options and a reverse switch to manage high-resistance soil. It can drill holes up to 8 wide and 41 deep, with a built-in LED, light, and automatic speed change. A torque limiter reduces gear damage by disengaging gears if the bit binds. It's part of Makita's 18-volt LXT system, with the fastest charge times in its category. The Makita 01 Grease Gun provides efficient greasing with a maximum flow rate of 10 ounces per minute and 2 speed modes, controlled by a variable speed trigger and speed selector. Its standout feature is the auto speed mode, which adjusts the flow rate to match the resistance of the part being greased for more efficient work. The grease gun features a 471/4 flexible hose for greater access, an air bleed valve for faster pump priming, and built-in LED lights to locate hard-to-see grease fittings. It also has a lock-on button for convenience during longer work periods and a lock-off function to prevent accidental startups. The grease gun can stand on its own or be used with a shoulder strap for user convenience. The Makita 18-volt LXT high-pressure inflator quickly inflates car tires, bike tires, or sports balls with up to 106 deep side delivered by its Makita-built motor. An auto-stop function prevents overfill by stopping inflation when the preset air pressure is reached. It has 3 speed settings: air release button, high visibility pressure gauge with backlight, and LED light to illuminate the work area. With a 251 hose length and compact design, it's portable and easy to store. It's part of the expanding 18-volt LXT system, powered by Makita's fast-charging 18-volt LXT lithium-ion batteries. The Makita 40-volt GDBL brushless cordless 13mm 65 Nm hammer driver drill is designed for increased maneuverability and higher hammer drilling speed. It has a variable 2-speed setting and 33,000 IPM for fast hammer drilling in masonry materials. The BL motor delivers 65 Nm of max torque and is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for longer runtime per charge. It features built-in dual LED lights, a soft grip handle, and 21 clutch settings and drill mode for added fastening control. The all-metal gears and extreme protection technology improve durability and resistance to harsh conditions. The Makita Brushless Cordless 15 pounds Demolition Hammer Kit is designed for heavy load applications, delivering the power and speed of a corded tool without the cord. It features anti-vibration technology and extreme protection technology for reduced vibration and improved durability. The Auto Start wireless system increases productivity and reduces noise at the job site, while constant speed control and variable speed dial provide greater control. XGD is a system of equipment, tools, batteries, and chargers that utilize 40V Maxx lithium-ion batteries, engineered for high-demand applications and superior durability. Makita's rechargeable wall scanner is designed to identify various materials inside a wall, including wood, metal, and live wires. The scanner has 4 scanning modes and can detect materials up to 31.8 deep. It is also equipped with a backlit display for clear visibility in dark areas. The compact and ergonomic design makes it easy to use in tight spaces. The scanner runs on an 18-volt LXT lithium-ion battery, which is included in the kit along with a charger and a case for convenient storage and transportation. The scanner is part of Makita's expanding 18-volt LXT system, the world's largest cordless tool system powered by 18-volt lithium-ion slide-style batteries. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.